everybody. How are you doing, by the way? My name is Mr. Wamba. I'm your swimming teacher. You're welcome to our swimming lessons. And now our session is all about swimming core exercise. Before to start this exercise, make sure you have proper sports attire. For example, you can see here I have a mat, so make sure you have a mat. You have a proper sports shoes, okay? And our first we are going to start with T pranks, okay? So these T pranks, we staying at the way we want to do push-up, okay? So your both hands should be down there, and you stretch your legs properly. And after that, you're going to rotate your body from your front side to your sideward. Okay? So one of your hands should be up like me, and one of them gonna be down there, and we stay here for 10 seconds. Everybody, get ready, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go down. Okay, now we're going to switch to another side. Set and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's go down, everybody. Okay. Good job, everyone. Our next thing is flutter kick. So everybody sit down properly, then stretch your legs and put your elbow downward on your back. Then stretch your legs up and point your toes forward. So here, we are going to kick our legs by moving them up and down, like the way you're doing backstroke kicking. Okay? So same. We do it for 10 seconds. I have my stopwatch here. So after 10 seconds, we stop. Okay? Everybody, get ready and start. Go. Your legs, move them up and down. Make sure you stretch your legs from your hip to your toes. Don't bend your knees. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay. Rest a bit. 2 seconds there. 5 seconds to rest, and get ready for Russian twist. Okay. Alright, this Russian twist, you bend your both legs together, then your hand should twist both at the same time to other side. Then you switch the other side with 2 hands at the same time. Okay? So for example, you can see my hands going there, then you switch there. It's all about 10 seconds too. Okay? Everybody, set and start. Twist, left, right, left, right, left, right. We're almost there. Let's go together. 3 and 2, then 1, and stop. Okay. Take a little bit break. Okay. Now we step forward, and right now we are going to do elbow to knee. Okay? This elbow to knee, we have to lie on our back, and then we lift up our one elbow and our one knees, and we are going to touch together. So if you do your left legs and your right hands is going at the same time. So first we have to lie on our back For example, look at me now before to start. This one is elbow to knee. So I'm going to take my right one, my right legs, okay? My right leg's going up and my left hand is going straight there. This is elbow to knees, okay? This is elbow to knees. Okay, it's all about 10 seconds. Okay, everybody, get ready and let's go. Almost there, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, that it was elbow to knees. And next step, we're going to do a mount climb. Okay, this mount climb, you stay in this position, and what are you going to do? You bend your arm and you take your knee straight forward and off your tummy, okay? But you go in faster way, like right, left, right, left, right, left. This is mount climb, okay? 10 seconds again. You take my stopwatch. Okay, set, and let's go. Mount climb. Take your knee forward under your tummy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Almost. 3, 2, and 1. Stop. Okay. Rest a bit. Next step is side close. Side to side. Okay, or close side to side. Okay, it's same position like you want to do push-up or mount climb, but the different here, you are going to take your knees to close a side instead of forward. Okay, so when I take my right knees, I'm going to cross there instead of here. Am I clear, everybody? Okay. Stay in this position like me. Get ready and let's go. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. There, there, there. Yeah. Close your knee to other side. Side to side. Get ready. 3, almost 2, and 1. Now stop. Okay, stop. Okay, next step we are going to do side crunches. Okay, these side crunches, we're supposed to lie on our back again. Okay, but to lie like me, then you bend your legs and you join them together there. Then your hands should be behind of your head like this, and you're gonna make chicken wings there from your elbow. Okay, then after that you lift up your body and you twist your body to your sideward, my clear. And when you twist there, you can see my right elbow is going to point higher up to the sky. Then you go down. After that, you switch to other side in same way. Okay? Together. 6, 3, 2, and let's go. Up, bend. Up, twist. Up, up, almost. 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, stop everybody and sit down and relax. Okay, relax guys. Okay, now we step forward with our V up. Okay, this V up, you lie on your back again, then you straighten your legs proper and you join your legs together, and after that you straighten your both hands on your back. For example, look at me, legs together, straight, hands together and straight. Okay, and then you lift up your legs and your hands at the same time. Okay, and make sure your finger is going to almost to touch your toes. That is called V up. For example, here and there. Then you go down. This is V up. Okay, you're ready to go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go for the last. There. Well done. Well done. Body stop and sit down. Relax. Okay, relax everybody. Okay, next step, guys. This one is easy, okay? We are going to do legs lizer, okay? This leg lizer, you can put elbow there, back together. And what are we going to do? We lift up our both legs and then we straight them down. For example, like me, you can see here, up and down. This is called leg lizer. So we do it 10 times, okay? Everybody, set, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop and relax. Okay? Relax, then we will move on with another exercise. I will let you know soon.